In this session, we are going to learn about types of networks that are PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. A network may be a small group of interlinked computers to a chain of few hundred computers of different types. For example, personal computers, mini computers, mainframe, etc. These computers may be localized or spread around the world. Thus, networks vary in terms of their size and complexity. Various types of network are PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. A personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. Personal area networks typically involve a mobile computer, a cell phone, and/or a handheld computing device, such as personal digital assistant. You can use these networks to transfer files, including email and calendar appointments, digital photos, and music. Personal area network can be constructed with cables or be wireless. USB and FireWire technologies often link together a wired personal area network, while wireless personal area network typically use Bluetooth or sometimes infrared connections. Bluetooth personal area network generally cover a range of less than 10 meters. PAN can be viewed as a special type of local area network that supports one person instead of a group. Local area network. In a local area network, network devices are connected over a relatively short distance. They are generally privately owned networks within a single building or campus of up to few kilometers in size. LANs can be small, linking as few as 3 computers, but often link hundreds of computers used by thousands of people. This means that many users can share expensive devices such as laser printers as well as data on the LAN. Users can also use the LAN to communicate with each other by sending mails or engaging in chat sessions. Nowadays, we also have wireless local area network, which is based on wireless network. One local area network can even be connected to other local area network over any distance via telephone lines and radio waves. However, there is also a limit on the number of computers that can be attached to a single local area network. The development of standard networking protocols and media has resulted in worldwide proliferation of LANs throughout business and educational organizations. Metropolitan area network is basically a bigger version of local area network and normally uses similar technology. It might cover few buildings in a city and might either be private or public. This is a network which spans a physical area in the range of 5 and 50 km diameter. That is larger than a LAN but smaller than WAN. MANs are usually characterized by very high-speed connections using optical fibers or other digital media and provides uplink services to wide area network and the internet. For example, in a city, a MAN which has support both data and voice might even be related to local cable television network. The MAN Its communication links and equipment are generally owned by either a consortium of users or by a single network provider who sells the services to the users. Since MAN adopts technologies from both LAN and WAN to serve its purpose, it also frequently used to provide a shared connection to other networks using a link to wide area network. WAN spans a large geographical area, often a country or a continent, and uses various commercial and private communication lines to connect computers. Typically, WAN combines multiple LANs that are geographically separated. This is accomplished by connecting the different LANs using services such as dedicated leased phone lines, dial-up phone lines, satellite links, high-speed fiber optic cables, and data packet carrier services. Wide area networking can be as simple as a modem and remote access server for employees to dial into, or it can be complex as hundreds of branch offices globally linked using special routing protocols and filters to minimize the expense of sending data sent over vast distances. Let us take an example of your local telephone exchange, which is a part of wide area network. The computers at each telephone exchange connect to other exchanges to allow you to talk to people all over the world. The internet is the largest WAN, spanning the entire earth. Thank you.